Hi, I'm here at the grounds, out here in Henderson with my mate Ben Bailey, and he's going to take me through some of the dining experiences you can get here in Auckland. So Ben, you know, you've been all over the world, you've cooked everywhere, but here we are, bottom of the Southern Hemisphere, and yet our food culture is so vibrant now.
I think Auckland in the last 10 years has just grown so much, and we can find everything here now. And so, yeah, we do have our great history of producing fresh food and great ingredients and combining that with knowledge from overseas, and we're building our own kind of food scene here. Okay, John, this is Mike the Russian, born out of Vladivostok. He's known in the industry as Mike the Magic Russian. He's a weapon.
Can I call you Mike the Magic Russian?
You can just call me Mike.
People now are looking to Auckland as a place to come. Instead of going to Melbourne and Sydney, now people are coming here. That's really exciting.
What are we doing here? I mean, I haven't seen this since I was in Spain.
Well, this is from Spain, so this particular one is a 3-year-old. So yeah, this comes on the squid dish.
It comes with a squid dish.
Comes with a squid, yeah.
You are kidding me.
No.
That will be a first for me.
So do you want to eat it?
I'm going to eat it, yeah. Yeah, I am definitely going to eat it.
Get in there. Hey, squid's delicious, eh?
Are we in Spain?
Are we in Spain?
We are in Spain.
No, I'm in heaven.
Okay.